What up, guys? Another day, another attempt to catch fish. So we've been kind of getting our tail kicked on the river. Can't catch anything. I don't get it. Well, I do. It's just part of fishing. Sometimes you have great trips. Other times you're getting a little bit of a low. So nonetheless, Austin and I were talking and we're like, well, you know what? Let's just run to a small pond and see if we can't catch a bass. So that's what we're doing. Today we're out. We're going to see if we can't catch a bass or two. And Austin's got some revenge because the last time we were here, I think he either didn't catch any at all or he had a hook miss and missed one. But regardless, he didn't catch any fish. I didn't do much better. I only caught one. So we're like, let's just go back there, see if we can't catch him this time. So we'll bring you guys along and hopefully catch some fish. Right. All right, so we're down here at the little pond. It actually looks a lot better than I thought it was going to. I really figured it wouldn't look good. Austin made the first cast. I think he started out with a little crankbait. I'm going to start off with a crackling crawl, a little bit of weighted head. See if we can't redeem our fishing that we've been going through recently and maybe catch something. Or we'll just keep doing the same thing we've been doing and getting our back end kicked up by the fishing.
No kidding.
Boys, we're not skunked. Woo! Got it on a little crackling crawl. Not a bad bass at all for this little spot. Get him back in the water. See you later, little guy. All right. Skunks off the shoulders. Got a fish. We'll be right back, guys. And then just kind of work it back. Maybe get just a little closer to the log even necessarily. Get him?
Yep.
All right. I don't know how well you guys can see Austin on here, but he's hooked up with his first fish of the day. Just keep her tight. Keep her happy. Looks like you might have a dandy. Oh yeah, don't let him dance. If he'd have came up like that, you'd have lost him. Yeah, you got a nice bass, bud. Hell yeah.
He hit as soon as it hit the water, man.
I'm glad I could tell you where to cast, huh?
Yeah, me too. Man, that's a big old bass.
Show that to the camera one more time. Caught himself pretty good little toad for out here. Get some photos. All right, buddy. Nice fish.
Yeah, as soon as I hit the water.
I thought I saw a swirl right after you hit, but I didn't think anything until I looked over and saw that you were pulled up. I was like, oh, so that was.
Yeah, as soon as it hit the water, I went to go start reeling, and I just felt it stop, so I set the hook on it.
Yeah.
And right there it was. I was like, sweet.
Hell yeah. Nice one, bud.
Thank you.
At least now we both have a fish for the day. Oh.
That is a little bit bigger.
Oh, come on, I can't get that hook to pop out. All right, guys, we got the hook out of him. Just a little harder than I thought. That's a healthy fish, especially for about here. But we're gonna get him back in the water and keep going.
Howdy, buddy.
No! There.
Man, I'm casting the wrong spots or using the wrong bait.
I don't even know where the damn hook is on this one. Easy, bud. This guy is all sorts of spunky. I was going to show you guys, we got the hook out and the fish is fine, but he had other plans and he's gone. But that hook set was, he engulfed it so hard, I was afraid we were going to have to take him home and eat him. I'm not opposed to eating largemouth. I'd rather just catch them for fun, but if I got to eat them, it's because they, the hook set killed them and they weren't going to make it if I put them back. But he was just fine. It wasn't even bleeding. It just, the way it looked like he was gonna be stuck with a hook in him, but it actually popped out a lot easier than we thought it was going to. Easy, easy. The hook's gonna end up in my hand with this one.
Why'd you catch my fish,
I'm sorry, man. I know, it was really supposed to be yours. I should have just quit fishing.
Yeah, I'm still trying.
This fucking hook is a mean one, that is for sure. All right, guys. Video come back on if Austin does hook one, but this is the guy we're going to end it on. Not a monster, but another good bass. It's been a fun day out here. Caught a couple bass. Had a good day with a buddy. You can't ask much more than that. Hopefully, this is getting us back on the track. We can get out and find some bigger fish and more fish. So, like always, guys, thanks for watching. We'll see you on the next one.